how to look up server on Discord on mobile. Hi guys, in today's episode I'll be showing you the ways to explore Discord server on mobile. Now to begin with, first of all, open up your Discord account. So once you open up a Discord application, it's going to take you to the home page, and right over here, in order to explore servers, you can go ahead and tap the arrow icon from the top left hand side and click the plus icon located right at the bottom. Once you click the plus icon, it's gonna show you some limited options, such as either to create your own server or to join any of these templates. Or else you can also join the server through an invite link, or you can go ahead and join the server of your school. So basically, using an application has a limited feature, but what you can, in order to look up for servers on Discord, so all you can do is you can go ahead and open up a web browser. So use any web browser of your choice, and then on the web address bar type in discord.com and make sure to enable desktop site. So click the three dot icon from the top left and tap the desktop site. Once you're logged into your Discord account, it's gonna take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Once you're logged in, make sure to disable the desktop site or to turn off the desktop site, and after that you'll be able to see multiple options right on top. So click the tab bar icon from the top left hand side, and in order to explore servers, go ahead and tap the compass icon located right at the bottom. Now from here onwards, you can go ahead and type in any sort of words or keyword in order to look for the servers on Discord mobile. So that's basically how you can explore or look up for server on Discord mobile. And that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.